This is going to be a quick review of these Dayton 3-inch full range drivers. They're supposed to be a direct replacement to the Klipsch speakers. Here's the speaker model number, and I got them from Parts Express. They cost $20 each. These speakers are over 15 years old. This right-hand speaker started sounding scratchy, and I did some simple troubleshooting like switching the speaker wires, and that one speaker is definitely bad. Okay, I took the first one out, and they're exactly the same size. The original Klipsch one seems a lot cheaper made. It's like a paper cone. This is a lot higher quality. The stock Klipsch speaker weighs 261 grams. The new Dayton speaker weighs 169 grams. Kind of makes me worry a little bit. I'm hoping that this at least sounds as good as the old Klipsch speakers. Part of the weight is probably this metal shield. The Dayton has this plastic thing on there. I also removed this little board. Tested that resistor and this capacitor, and they're both good. The mounting holes line up perfectly. Okay, I've been playing games for about 20 minutes or so, and my first impressions are they're missing a little bit of bass compared to the Klipsch, but the other tones are better. Like the mid-range and the high tones actually sound better. It's just missing a little bit of bass. And I ended up turning my subwoofer dial up just a little bit, and it really I'm perfectly satisfied. So I think it's kind of like an even match. Here's a little diagram that shows the speaker sound. You'll notice the graph shows that it's better in the high and mid tones, and it's missing just a little bit of bass compared to the Klipsch.